All right, traders, it's May 21st, 2025, 9:03 Eastern Standard Time, and the euro is up around 0.43% today. We hit, a weekly high so far of good old 113.61. So let's take a look at what the heck is going on here and how we can trade this thing. We're seeing some serious action and some shifting going on, but is it sustainable? We talked yesterday, which I said we might have a dead cat bounce here where we had this high that we had to overcome. We had the lower high right here. I was really expecting the euro to actually trade down to this level of like 112, say 10, before we can make any decisive move. But I did say yesterday, if we broke up through this high, the dead cat bounce was over, and we were heading up to, what point did I have? Did I have a point? I think I have a point on a 6-hour chart. Let's check it out. Let's look at the 6 hours right here. No, I didn't. No, I got to put one in. Okay, so really the resistance now becomes right here at 113.82. If we can get above 113.82, this marketplace is actually showing some sign of strength back up to the 114. Now, how would I trade this thing? Since I told you I don't really trade the euro straight. I trade it in euro yen, and I'm watching that right now because I think that euro yen might be headed lower. The euro dollar might be going up, but I think that there's going to be a flood again back into dollar yen. That's just my opinion. I'm short right now euro yen at 162.94. I got my stop at 163.40. We'll see how it works out. If I don't see it really working, I'll probably get out before that. But really right now, the euro dollar itself, all right, has to hold above on a short-term basis. This, I'm going to say there's a warning sign at like 113.09, like that. That's basically the point short term that this thing has to hold above. And of course you got the 112.95 right behind it. So we could say that the euro could pull back into this like tiny little channel right here. Now, if it can't get the rally back up, we could be heading back down to like 112.30 on the euro dollar. So I know it's a brief little update, but that's what I got going for you. We'll make a great short, I guess. It's not really the best long-term type of video here, but we're trading short-term, so I don't want to just keep talking about blah, blah for nothing, and let's get this off here. So we got resistance right now, new short-term resistance at 113.80. Right up in this area. We got the support right here at like say 113, between 113.10 and 112.95. It's got to hold that. If it can hold that, it can pop up. It can get through that 113, say 80, and then it's it's opening up a target short term again, 114.32, and really this high bar is closed at like 115. So I think that's a far stretch, but I've been saying that, a lot about the euro dollar, and I've been really surprised by sterling dollar and euro dollar. I'm going to be doing an update on the all the crosses and sterling dollar and dollar yen in the next video. So make sure that you come over to watch those. And remember, always head over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook. And don't forget, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.